Hello, today we will guide you through how to set reminders for other people in Slack. In this walkthrough, we'll use Slack's built-in workflow tools to schedule a reminder that goes to someone else, like a teammate in a direct message. Make sure you're signed into Slack on desktop or web and that you have permission to use Workflow Builder in your workspace. Start by opening the direct message with the person you want to remind. This keeps context clear and helps you verify you're working in the right place before building the automation. With that DM open, look to the bottom left of your Slack window and click the plus sign. This opens Slack's Create menu, where you can access tools beyond simple messages. From that menu, select Workflow. This launches Workflow Builder, the space where you can set up automated actions like scheduled reminders. In the Builder, choose the workflow you'll be using for this reminder and click Edit. Editing lets you adjust how and when the reminder runs without creating anything from scratch, which is helpful if your team already has a basic reminder flow in place. Next, choose On a Schedule as the trigger. A scheduled trigger tells Slack exactly when to send the reminder, whether that's daily, weekly, or at a specific date and time. Picking the right trigger ensures the reminder reaches the recipient when it's most useful. Click. Continue to move forward. Slack will now guide you through the setup screens. Follow the on-screen procedure to define the schedule, select the time zone, and confirm the destination. For reminders to a specific person, set the destination to their direct message so it lands privately. Compose a reminder message clearly, keeping it short, actionable, and free of sensitive information. If helpful, reference the task or deadline and include links the person might need. You can also note expectations like please confirm when complete so the recipient knows what to do next. Double-check the runtime against the recipient's working hours to avoid sending it when they're away. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving applies your configuration and stores the workflow so it will run on the schedule you defined. You should see confirmation in the Builder, and when the scheduled time arrives, Slack will deliver the reminder to the selected person automatically. That's it. You've opened the DM, used the plus menu to access Workflow Builder, selected workflow, edited the flow, set on a schedule. Continued through the guided screens and saved your setup. If you ever need to adjust timing or message text later, return to the workflow, make your changes, and save again.